Hi guys, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be making brains. The ingredients we need is vanilla extract, butter, some rice bubbles and some pink marshmallows. First we need to do is put the marshmallows and the butter into a bowl and melt it. Now we're going to put them in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now we're going to mix the marshmallows. Next, that you're going to put half a teaspoon of vanilla extract in. Now you're going to put it back in the microwave for 1 minute. To give it a little mix and then add in the rice bubbles. You're going to add 5 cups of Rice Krispies to your marshmallows. Shape these into brains. Now that we've shaped our brains, we're going to let it sit for a few minutes. I'll take this big one. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, hit the like and subscribe button. Bye! And happy Halloween!